Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making cornflakes chicken fingers in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here some white chicken breast meat and we're going to cut it into strips. There we go, that should be good. Okay, there we go. We have it all set. And the first thing what we're going to do is season it. We're going to add some sea salt. So turn them around, do the same thing. Okay, next thing what we're going to add is some garlic powder. There we go, and turn them around. Do the same thing. Some onion powder. Quickly turn them around. Go. And lastly, some white pepper. Turn them around again. Okay, we have the chicken all seasoned. We have here 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, and we're gonna prepare some of the cornflakes. Okay, we're gonna take some of the cornflakes, take the bag out, and we're gonna put it into a plastic bag. There you go, that should be good. And we're just gonna crush it with our hands. Okay, we're set. This is what it should look like. And we're gonna pour some into the bowl. There you go. Save the rest for later, just in case if you need it. Since the cornflakes don't have flavor, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder to it. Go. Mix it in. And we're also gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of sea salt to the cornflakes. Go and mix it all up. Make sure everything is stirred up all even. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna crack open 2 eggs. That's 1, 2. Then we're gonna mix it. Make sure it's all even. Okay, we're set. Now we're going to take the chicken strips. We're going to dip it into the flour. Dip it into the egg. Remove the excess. And dip it into the cornflakes. There you go, that's 1. Let's do that again. Dip it into the flour. Dip it into the egg wash. Remove the excess. Dip it into the cornflakes. Okay, this is the second one. We put it right here. Okay, let's finish up the rest real quick. Okay, we have the last one. Dip it into the flour. Dip it into the egg wash. And dip it into the cornflakes. Here we go, last one. Okay, the next thing what we're gonna do is spray some olive oil. Just spray a little bit. Go, turn it around, and do the same thing again. Okay, we're set. Now we're gonna preheat the air fryer. Okay, we're gonna preheat the air fryer at 370 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's ready. Let's put them in. We're gonna take some olive oil and spray some in. And let's put them in. Okay, we have it in, and let's put it back in. We're going for 370 degrees for a total time of 16 minutes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking good. Let's flip them over real quick. Okay, we're just gonna spray a little bit of olive oil. There you go. Let's put them back in. And we'll be back in 8 minutes. Okay, it's been 16 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take them out. Whoa, it's hot. It smells really good. Let's check the temperature. Okay, it's almost 180 degrees. Let's take them out. Okay, this is what we have today. Cornflakes chicken fingers made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.